Page number 13, you can see one circuit. Here, two bulbs of 3 watt are connected in parallel. And in the next page, you can see another diagram where two bulbs are connected in series. So, in which circuit does the bulb glow with high intensity? So, in which bulb the bulb will glow with high intensity? Whether circuit A or circuit B? The answer is circuit A, because here bulbs are connected in parallel. So the effective resistance will be minimum here. That's why the bulbs will glow with maximum intensity. Remove the bulb from each circuit. What do you observe? So if we remove one bulb from here, the another bulb will glow because the flow of current is different through each bulb. Okay, that's why if you remove one bulb, the other bulb will glow. But in the case of this circuit, the flow of current is same through the two bulbs. So if we remove one bulb from here, the circuit will be incomplete. That is why the other bulb will also not glow. Why do the bulbs in figure 1.4a glow with maximum brightness? Because here the effective resistance is minimum. When the effective resistance is minimum, the bulbs will glow with maximum intensity. In the next page, you can see one table. When the resistors are connected in series, the effective resistance increases, while in the case of parallel, effective resistance decreases. Then voltage obtained in each resistance will be different here. Here it will be same. Then current through each resistance is same in series connection and it is different in parallel connection. In page number 17, one question is given. What is the current if 4 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are connected in series and 6 volt potential difference is applied? Here, since the resistors are connected in series, the effective resistance will be 4 plus 2, that is 6 ohm, and voltage is given as 6 volt. So using this equation, R is equal to V by I, we can get I is equal to 1 ampere. In the next page, one more question is given. What is the current if 2 ohm and 4 ohm resistors are connected in parallel and 12 volt potential difference is applied? Here R1 is 12 ohm and R2 is 4 ohm and voltage given is 12 ohm. Here the resistors are connected in parallel, so effective resistance is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Substituting in this, we will get R is equal to 3 ohm and current is equal to 4 ohm. 10 resistors of 2 ohm each are connected in parallel. Calculate the effective resistance. So using equation R is equal to small letter R by N, we will get the answer for this question, where R is the effective resistance, small letter R is the resistance of one resistor and N is the number of resistor. So here small letter R is 2 ohm and N is 10. So on substituting this equation, we will get R is equal to 0.2 ohm.